We started out with a real heavy stubble from last year, and we had difficulty no-tilling through it. And it was dry and dry and dry. And then finally, after the first year, we had a few rains, half to 3/4 inch rains, and it got it perked back up. And I really thought we might have a really good crop. End of March, though, we started having freezing. We had 5 freeze events, and just over a period of a month, and they really did a lot of damage. It cut it in half probably. It was actually better than we anticipated. We started with our poorest week first, a real drouthy field, and I was thinking it'd probably make 5, and it made up around 15. But this field I thought was better, and it may not be any more than 15. So it's just such a variable crop this year. My normal average, probably around 30.
So this may be half bushels per acre?
Right, it will be half. You have to have hope. Of course, the last several years, since '09 is where we started having these alternating really bad years, it's hard to live through this when you get a bad year every other year. Looking back over the years that we farmed, it hadn't been that way. You didn't get a terrible year, but once in 10 maybe.